My name is Patrick Dolan. I was diagnosed with ALS in 2016. Today, I am unable to move, eat, talk, or breathe on my own. I can only make slight facial expressions and move my eyes. ALS is a terminal disease with no cure after 150 years. Half of those diagnosed with ALS die within 14 to 18 months of diagnosis. The Department of Veterans Affairs recognizes ALS as a military service-connected disease, indicating there is an environmental component. Since 9/11, 3 times more veterans have been lost to ALS than troops killed in combat in Iraq and Afghanistan combined. Each year, 1,000 veterans die from ALS, and thousands of civilians die each year from ALS. The rate of ALS in the U.S. continues to increase each year. Yet, there is hope. Since 2016, progress has been made on treatments for those with gene involvement, like the SOD1 mutation. New genes linked to ALS have been discovered, and researchers continue to make advancements in their understanding of the mechanisms of ALS. These advancements in ALS research are attributed to the CDC National ALS Registry, established at the end of 2010. In addition, the ALS Registry provides essential funding for research. The ALS Registry provides a national, standardized database to study the prevalence of ALS in the U.S. Researchers are using the registry data to map the place history of people living with ALS. This analysis identifies the common lived locations, which allows us to study the environmental conditions in those locations that increases the risk of ALS, and has a dedicated team of experts advancing the science of ALS. Eliminating the CDC National ALS Registry will result in losing decades of ALS research in progress. Advancing the science of ALS will benefit other neurodiseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and MS. Let me be clear, the high stakes of ALS research are in the hands of the Trump administration. I'm asking the Trump administration to keep and fund the CDC National ALS Registry. The Trump administration can be the champion in advancing the science of ALS. This administration can be throwing the first pitch on June 2nd to celebrate Major League Baseball Lou Gehrig Day. Please voice your support for the CDC National ALS Registry by contacting your legislators. You can use the QR code here, or click the link in the description below, which opens the form you fill out that lets your legislators know that registry funding along with other ALS funding is important to you. Thank you for your support.